Yo, what's cracking YouTube? It's your boy Professor Crypto. Got another hot crypto class for you guys today. This one's on fire. You guys already know. Anything we bring on the channel, it's got that heat, got that potential, and it definitely should be watched. This one is no different, guys. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. Class is now in session. This one is called NPL HASHPOWER Futures. Now, guys, we released a video on NPL HASHPOWER Futures a little bit earlier this week. It was a full introductory video on their platform, what you can expect from it, and how you can benefit from it. This platform, as I mentioned, guys, is the world's first HASHPOWER futures trading exchange. What that means is that you can trade on the underlying value of Bitcoin, Ethereum, and cryptocurrency in general instead of the actual assets. HASHPOWER is blockchain's primary resource. Invest in the blockchain by trading HASHPOWER futures. This video, guys, is mainly going to be how to instruct you how to register an account with NPL futures. It's currently an invite only, so you'll need to use the Professor Crypto special link to access the exchange. You're going to go to the NPL HASHPOWER Futures group on Telegram or the NPL Hash on Twitter for the link. And as a special incentive, all Professor Crypto users will receive 0.02 BTC no deposit bonus and 3 free trades. You must reach the minimum trade limit to withdraw the bonus. Registering the account is very straightforward, guys. Once you get to the landing page here, what you're going to do is enter your email address, a password. You're going to confirm your password. You're going to enter your country, and you're going to accept the terms of service and that you understand the privacy notice. Always, guys, always read over these documents before you check that box saying that you accept and that you have signed up. All right, guys, so now that we're in, let's take a look at the features of this exchange. The first thing that pops up is the trade guide, and this tells you everything you need to know and how to use the exchange. Again, that's right here, guys. If we go through all the steps, it's explaining all of the functions of the trading platform. This is the order book here. This is where you buy, where you sell, and you can click the plus button and ask for selling or bid for buying, or the ask button or bid for cancel pending orders. Click the MKT button to buy at the price of current market, sell, same thing, join bid for the current price, ask for the current sell price, and cancel and exit to cancel and exit all pending orders on the position. Here you keep track of the open, closed positions and settlements, and here you keep track of the pending completed orders and transaction logs. We can inspect all the contracts or take a look at the order book, get a sense of the current market activity, buy and sell buttons, etc. You can monitor any positions that you have open, as I showed you with those buttons there. The trade guide is full of useful tips, and you can access it at any time in the top right corner. Another thing to point out is the chart, set by default to display hourly candles, but you can change that to a number of different time ranges and indicators. If you want to take a look at your wallets and withdraw the funds or add funds, you can do that by clicking your username at the top right. The interface is very intuitive and designed to allow you to easily trade in the new HASHPOWER futures market. Let's have a look at all the ways you can trade on NPL, guys. For this example, what I'm going to do is I'm going to play their intuitive video teaching you exactly how to do that.
Let's have a look at the ways you can trade on NPL. For this example, we'll trade BTC HASHPOWER futures, and we'll trade it for the month of March. You can toggle between BTC hash and ETH hash, and then pick the month. If we want to place an order, we can navigate to the order book and select one of the available prices. Each of these prices represents the difference of tick. So 170 to 172 is 1 tick, but we'll get back to this in just a sec. Let's check out how we can place an order by just clicking the plus symbol. So you can click the plus symbol, and then you can see the expiry date for the contract is here. We can also see the deposit required, which is just the fee that we pay to buy the contract, kind of like a down payment for a car or a house. And then we can see the quantity of contracts. I'll just buy 1 for now, and then our fee. So let's go ahead and buy it, and let's place the order. Now you can see in the order book that I have a pending trade. Doesn't necessarily mean that I placed the order yet. It's a pending trade. So if I want to cancel and exit, I can do that. But we won't do that right now. So if you're here to learn how to calculate this price, we can do that. At any point after placing the trade, you can simply consult the top of your page where it says Open PL to monitor your profit or your loss. So now if you're here to learn the calculations, let's check out the contract specs. You can see the commodities hash power, the algorithm that we use, SHA-256. The contract is March. The expiration date is the end of the month on the 31st of March. The initial margin, the maintenance margin, the trading fee, the unit, the value per tick, the tick size, and the tick value. So those are all things that we get from the contract specs. So let's break that down. So the different prices represented in the order book is one tick, and the tick value shows how much we make or lose on a position when the prices moves a single tick away from our entry. Let's break this down a little and explore what these terms are and how we can use them. So first off, the tick value is the tick size multiplied by the value of tick. If you want to calculate your profits on a pending trade, simply divide the tick value by the margin you've wagered. The value of tick, on the other hand, is a multiple of the number of days in the month in question. So like April, 30 days would be 3,000, while March, you can see, is 3,100 for 31 days in March. Now that we've gone over some of the granular contract information for the BTC hash power trading, let's take a look at the ETH hash power. So there's one immediate difference, and that's the margin required. It's half the amount of the hash power. You can see the tick size is 0.000001 BTC. The tick value is 0.00015 BTC. And again, this is the amount that you stand to lose on any individual contract that you're ordering. So beyond that, the trading really just works very much similar to BTC hash power. So ETH and BTC trade very similar, besides those things we mentioned. You can view and download all the historical transaction information on the bottom right hand of the page, including specific date ranges and averages. So you can see that right here. Price paid. If you're interested in learning more about how to trade, we do have a blog that you can go to on our website, so definitely check that out, and that will we have some good articles on more specifics on trading and what hash power futures are. So now you're really ready to trade. If you have any more questions, feel free to email support@nplfutures.com, and we'll see you in the next video.
Wicked video by the NPL HASHPOWER Futures team. Nice job explaining that, guys. After a second look at NPL HASHPOWER Futures, guys, I gotta say it looks like a great platform. This one is different, guys, because it is the world's first exchange for buying and selling HASHPOWER Futures contracts. Just a little reminder as to why they are interesting, guys. With HASHPOWER, traders can invest in blockchain technology without having to hold any coins. With futures contracts, you can take advantage of the volatility of crypto by shorting or longing. If you're a miner, you now have a trusted exchange where you can lock in your hash power price now for future use. Shout out to all my students, guys. I love you. Shout out to the crypto class gang. Shout out to the Lambo gang. Shout out to the whale gang. Shout out to the hodl gang. Thank you for all your continued support, guys. I really appreciate it. If you guys enjoyed this video, please be sure to smash that like button for me and drop a comment in the comment section below. Please remember, guys, we are an impartial channel, so whether your opinion is negative or positive, we'd be more than happy to hear it. That being said, class is now dismissed. We'll see you in our next video. Professor Crypto out.